This is my responsibility. My heart said, come on, go. It's your responsibility. Be there. And I'm here.
Dr. Lavanya.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I'm Dr. Lavanya, gynecologist from Electronic City, KIMS. As a passion, as a gynecologist, infertility doctor, I'm passionate about women's health. I've seen your passion as well. You've done several campaigns for women health and women's safety. On this occasion of International Women's Day, I request you to a statement for all our women to prioritize our women's health. So I think, when a celebrity speaks, it's taken more seriously than a gynecologist. So one word from you for all our women.
Amma, I tell you, I don't like this constant reminding of how a woman should be treated. I think it is high time a man is born respecting his woman. So this is what I can say, and wishing you a happy Women's Day. Wishing all the women here. I think we have to stop prioritizing education at school to tell the future generation, the men, that how important a woman is. But I think the education has to start from our house. And I will make sure my two boys will grow up respecting women.
Thank you so much.
And responsible towards
Thank you.
that.
Tarak, last question from me. You are eyewitness for road traffic accidents and the calamity in life. You almost gone there. At that time I was in Russia. I remember you getting into admitted KIMS, and unfortunately you lost your father. And there are, for audience sake, every 3 minutes there is a road traffic death in India. It's a very appalling thing. I request you, just like she said, please do something for prevention of these road traffic accidents. And we request you to be giving that voice so that people can behave themselves, wear the helmets, wear the seat belts, and save themselves.
Sir, I think if you see my movies, I've been very particular about this, that I send out this message. I've lost my older brother, I've lost my father, and as you mentioned, I almost went up to the death's door and came back, thanks to KIMS again. Thanks to Bhaskar Garu, thanks to Srinivas Garu, Dr. Srinivas, for me, to have put in all the effort and all the responsibility in saving my life. I think everybody needs to be responsible about driving, about road safety. And many times, there are a lot of incidents that has happened in each individual's home here, I'm sure. So please remember that whenever you're driving, just keep your family in your mind, and automatically it will create a sort of responsibility, and that, I think, is the awareness everybody should have.
Last thing, the police department requested you to say one word, say no to drugs.
And please say no to drugs. I request. Again, responsibility has to grow within, and I hope this message gives you that sense of responsibility and grow as good citizens for this country. Thank you.
Tarak, stage is yours now.
Thank you.
Final talk, then I'll take. Okay.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.